Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Toshendra and this is the course Ethical Hacking for Beginners. Welcome to the course. So in this course you will be learning ethical hacking basics from the very much foundations, like what are the IP address, what are the LAN and what are the internet, and you don't need any knowledge about the computer or a prior knowledge of the deep hacking scripts or any programming languages. So we'll be using most of the tools and techniques to attack on the devices or the websites or database, and we'll be starting with this whole course has been actually divided into 4 sessions: session 1, 2, 3 and 4. In session 1 we'll be learning first what are the ethics in hacking, what are the basics of internet networking, what are the different type of devices, what are the programming languages, and then we'll be going with the information gathering, which is the first step of any hacking methodology, in which we'll be doing the multiple demos and jumping and trying to explore the multiple websites and tools, how to use them to perform the information gathering and generate some information about the target. And then we'll be using the sniffers packet analysis tools to understand how can we use the effective tools like Wireshark and sniffers and EtherCap, so that we can sniff the information about the data about the internet packets and then see what are the useful information inside that. Then we'll be also seeing how to manipulate the security information of the Windows, how to manipulate the security credentials at the Windows login. Then session 2 will be into the SQL injection attack using the manual SQL injection as well as the SQL injection using tools. We'll be also exploring the blind SQL injection attack. Then after that we'll be jumping into the man in the middle attack, which will be done after the ARP poisoning using EtherCap. We'll be seeing the how can two machines interact with each other without knowing that somebody is listening the data. So that can be done very easily and using some tools, very specialized tools. After that we'll be jumping into cross-site scripting. We'll be using damn vulnerable web application called DVWA to do some practical on cross-site scripting and see how can we exploit the target using the order 1 and order 0 cross-site scripting, or we also define it as a reflected accesses and stored accesses. And then we'll be jumping into the social engineering attacks and then Metasploit and some other tool using social for attacking the social engineering, for using the social engineering methodology to attack the victims. We'll be also seeing what are the session hijacking methods that we can use using some sniffers and tools. Social engineering attacks using different methods: backdoors, uploading, upload box attack, creation of the malware and Trojan. So in the last session we'll be exploring the Metasploit, DNS spoofing and forging laws and forging the email IDs and SMSs, and how can we do that. So there are multiple ways to do that. We'll be covering some of the ways to do the email forging and SMS forging and call spoofing as well. Okay, thank you guys. We'd love to have you on board in this course. Thanks.